Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're doing well. Today is raining. Stay safe, stay indoors. I'm gonna be making Armenian soup, my favorite Armenian soup, I would say. I'm gonna do that first and then I'm gonna go to the gym. I wanted to show you some realistic day balancing culture, food, and just staying fit. I decided to take you along with me, so let's go. I'm setting some nice vibes at home, so I put this beautiful music on. Flowers, and I have a candle. It's raining outside very hard. Just like trying to set some vibes and feel cute. I also have some jewelry that I worked on last night. I was changing the chains and like kind of fixing it, so I'm very excited to wear these. For today's soup, I'm making Armenian spas. It's basically a yogurt soup. You have to add a lot of yogurt, but we'll see. My mom sent me the recipe, so we're gonna follow the steps. That soup also has wheat in it, so I got this brand from Armenian market, and it's just a regular wheat. So I'm gonna boil this first and then take on the next steps. Going to let it boil a little bit. I got this Armenian yogurt from Armenian market and I never tried this. I usually would buy just regular yogurt, but this one, because I noticed like Armenian letters, I was like, I need to try the Armenian yogurt. They would bring fresh yogurt from village and would sell in the city, so we would buy, and this is exactly how it would look like. The bottle is obviously very different, it's very modern, but it tastes almost same, I think. So I'm gonna use this yogurt for my soup. I also got Russian bublik. It's just so good. I love this one. I just realized that I could have it with this yogurt because I'm not gonna use all of it. And this is how we would also eat in Armenia, just like a snack, I guess. So yeah, it's just so good. With matsun, which is yogurt in Armenian, it's so good. I also want to show you what I made yesterday. I made a pie out of semolina. It's still a new word to me. I never knew what semolina is. I mean, I know what it is, but I never knew that that's what it translates. And I just wanted to show you that it's possible to make a pie out of semolina. I added apples, and this is what it looks like. It's very healthy, and I just learned that semolina has very high amount of protein, about 13 grams per 100 grams. I can make that one day if you're interested and show how it's being cooked. It's very simple. You can also add farmer's cheese if you prefer, but this one I made without. So it's almost ready. In the meantime, going to chop some onion. Oh my god, the onion made me cry. But we have to make this work. Put it on gas. Okay, I added matsun yogurt, and this is what it looks like. I'm very happy that it's so smooth and nice, because last time when I tried from a different yogurt, it didn't work. It was really bad. So I'm happy. I think it's going well. I added egg and onions. So this is what it looks like. Yay, I'm liking. I think it's gonna be really good. It's time to add some greens. I'm gonna add cilantro. I love a lot of greens in any of my food, so I'm gonna add a lot. So we're gonna chop it now. A little bit of butter, just a little. I added my cilantro. How great it is! Oh my god, this is so awesome. It's fully ready. You can see the wheat. Getting cozy here. I have my music in the background, but I'm not gonna make it any louder so that it doesn't cause any copyright issues. I have my bowl here, and I was just posting on Instagram saying that this is a bowl of memories. I am so happy that I could make this, and I could feel it's the same taste that my mom used to make. Just kind of going back to those days when I would eat Armenian food, and it was honestly was the best food for me. And this is my favorite spas, favorite soup. I love it. It's yogurty and it's a bit salty. I love it. And I'm just very happy that I could have the same flavors and taste in my kitchen that comes from my country. So just so good on this rainy day. It's just the best thing to eat. So if you make a soup or any food that comforts you, I hope you enjoy your day, and I hope you're off. And I forgot to tell you, once I'm done with this, I'm gonna get ready for the gym, and we're gonna go to the gym together. It's time to go to the gym. Some updates on what I'm wearing. My bodysuit, you can see I was reviewing this one as well in one of my vlogs previously filmed. It's 3 bodysuits that I found from Target. You can see the back, it's so cute. I'm gonna wear this sweatshirt that I ordered from Fashion Nova. I really love it. My shoes, Brooks. Ready to go. I have my water bottle, I have my bag, and this is my look. So I'm excited to go get some movement because all I've been doing all day today was just resting and cooking. So we deserve some movement. Done with my workout. I didn't really film much there. I couldn't because it felt like and really wanted to just work out without using any phone or checking my phone. So that was a good distraction for an hour. I went to Target to get a few things. I needed some seasoning. I'm gonna go make some chicken, and I think overall it was a productive day cooking and staying active, and also feeling cozy. And I hope you also had cozy and nice rainy days. It's been really important for me to stay active and work out after professional sports. It's been a very while, but there is ways on how to stay active after sports. So I may share that one day, and share also my ways of how I'm trying to balance my full-time job, cooking and working out. So this was very important for me to go and stay active on a day off, especially when it's raining. So I hope you also stay active. It's so important for me to get that movement because it was, past few days, it was weekend and I didn't work out, so my body was letting me know and pushing me to go to the gym, and I'm really happy I did because every time I finish my workout I feel so refreshed, I feel so great and ready to continue my day. We can also talk about working out in the mornings and in the evenings, what's better. For now, this is it. I hope you had a great time. I hope you had a great weekend. See you very soon. Bye.